Welcome to Bethlehem Institute of Engineering. Bethlehem Institute of Engineering is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. This institution was established in the year 2008.
DC to DC converter. The circuit which converts DC to DC is called inverter. Inverter circuit converts constant DC to variable AC. There are many applications of inverter circuits. Some of the applications are it is used in variable speed AC drives, UPS, induction heating and HVDC. Next is classification of inverter. Inverters can be classified into many types based on outputs, source, type of load, etc. Let us see the classifications. According to the output characteristics, inverter is classified as square wave inverter, sine wave inverter, modified sine wave inverter. According to source of inverter, it is classified as current source inverter and voltage source inverter. According to the type of load, it is classified as single phase inverter. In single phase inverter, it is again classified into two, that is half bridge inverter and full bridge inverter. Three-phase inverter, it is again classified into two types, that is 180-degree conduction mode and 120-degree conduction mode. According to the different PWM techniques, it is classified as single pulse width modulation, multiple pulse width modulation, sinusoidal pulse width modulation and modified sinusoidal pulse width modulation. According to number of output level, it is classified as two-level inverter and multi-level inverter. According to source of inverter, it is classified as current source inverter and voltage source inverter. Current source inverter means the input current is constant, that is source current is constant. This type of inverter is used in medium voltage industrial applications where high quality current waveforms are required. Voltage source inverter. In voltage source inverter, the input voltage is constant. This type of inverter is used in all applications because it is more efficient and has higher reliability and faster dynamic response. So first let us see about the voltage source inverter. First type of voltage source inverter is single phase inverter. Single phase inverter is further classified as single phase half bridge inverter and single phase full bridge inverter. First let us see about single phase half bridge inverter. For single phase half bridge inverter, it consists of two SCRs and two diodes in parallel to the SCR. It also required 3-wire supply and two supplies. So in this, during positive half cycle, T1 conducts. That is from 0 to T by 2, T1 conducts. So the output voltage is Vs by 2 due to the upper voltage source Vs by 2. In the second half cycle, that is from omega t is equal to T by 2 to T, thyristor T1 is commutated and T2 starts to conduct. The output voltage is minus Vs by 2 due to lower source of voltage source Vs by 2. The main disadvantage of this circuit is output voltage is half of the supply voltage. Also, it requires 3-wire supply. To overcome this drawback, we are going for single phase full bridge inverter. In single phase full bridge inverter, there are 4 SCRs and 4 diodes which are connected in parallel to SCR, and single power supply is used in full bridge inverter. At a time, two thyristors will conduct, that is T1, T2 and T3, T4. During the time interval 0 to T by 2, T1 and T2 conducts. During this period, the load voltage is similar to the DC supply voltage. For the second half cycle, that is from time interval T by 2 T, two thyristors, that is T3 and T4 conducts. The output voltage is minus Vs. Thank you.